Welcome to Donemax channel. Today let's talk about DJI devices and how to recover lost photos, videos from DJI cameras. DJI drones and cameras are popular for capturing high-quality aerial and handheld footage. DJI drones can be used to capture vlogs, dive up to 60 meters deep for filming, ride mountain bikes and motorcycles for filming, and easily capture magnificent skiing scenes while skiing. These shooting materials are extremely precious. The product series of DJI is roughly shown in the following figures, mainly divided into camera drones and handheld imaging. DJI uses microSD cards to store captured videos and images. Losing photos or videos from them can be a nightmare. Whether it's an accidental deletion, a corrupted SD card, or a power failure during recording, your precious memories can disappear in seconds. Fortunately, there are effective ways to recover lost DJI photos and videos. Now let's use one example to show you how to recover lost photos or videos from DJI Camera. We need to see the original video, and I will delete it from the card with Shift plus Delete. Open Donemax Data Recovery and select the DJI SD card. Press Scan button to start scanning progress. During the scan, you can preview the found videos and photos by double-clicking the file. Let's select and restore the video we just tested and deleted. And now we play it on the computer. We found that this software has fully recovered the entire deleted video and can play it normally. The above is the main content of today's video. See you next time.